Okay, so welcome to Ozarks Tech Industrial Robotics. Should you ever need technical support from FANUC, you can dial 1-888 FANUC US. That gets you to their tech support number. First, the question they're going to ask you is, what is the F number on your robot? If you are talking about an American robot, it will be an F number. If you're talking about a European robot, it will be an E number. E for Europe and F for FANUC. Also, a lot of people are, is it FANUC or FANUC? That depends what you're talking about. Talking about a piece of NC equipment, it is FANUC. And if you're talking about a robot, it's FANUC. Exact same people, exact same name, exact same pronunciations, or not the exact same pronunciations. Depends on what you're talking about. Online CRC site is free. Everybody who owns a FANUC robot or the representative, you can get online quote and ordering, field tracking, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So these are different types of FANUC robots. We have little guys like these. Anybody ever has everybody, nobody been upstairs? See the robot in the display up there? That's actually an LR-mate 200, which is this guy. You get the really heavy duty ones, 1,350 kilograms. Pick up a car. I want to get one of those and then put a chair on the end of it, 5-point harness. Mm-hmm. And then I thought that would be cool.
Yeah, until you toss your cookies.
Yeah, well, they told me I couldn't do that either. Number one, they won't buy a robot that big. And number two, insurance won't let us put the chair on it anyway, so fine, be that way. You can see there's all kinds of different ones that FANUC has available. If you put it on a rail like that, it's what is known as a 7th axis. So you can control not only the arm itself, but the location of it. If they still have it up out there, which I think they do, we're going to walk out in the high bay here in a little bit, and I'll show you the deal that Detroit Tool has down there. They've got 3 robots in that one unit, and 2 of them are on the rails. The other one's a standalone. RoboGuide is the FANUC software that you can use to program your robot. You can set up a work cell like that with your exact robot. It has all the exact same options and everything turned on. You can put in your conveyors and your machines and all that stuff. So you can program exactly what the robot's going to do in the virtual world. Take that program, transfer it to the actual robot, and it'll go. Okay. We do have licensing for RoboGuide available, but it is on the computers in 142, which is currently being used for PLC 1 class. So unfortunately, we don't have computers in here. So chapter number 1, course overview. On successful completion of this course, the student should be able to do power up and jog. Some of you guys have already done that. I know Avinash has. Recover from common program and robot faults. Execute production operations. Create, modify, and execute a material handling program. Create and execute macros. A macro is a program that you use for a very specific purpose. Almost always used to operate the end of arm tooling, whatever that is. In our case, it's a little vacuum cup about that big. Not even a vacuum there to give you a hickey. Monitor, force, and simulate input and output signals, backup and restore individual programs and files, and that is all for that particular slideshow. That was quick, wasn't it?
Yes.